Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your first card, Aquarius, for the reading. The Sun, wow, very positive start. Hangman. Two of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection at some crossroads. They are spiritual awakening. They are stuck right now. They don't know what decision they has to make. Yeah, definitely one person in this connection stuck, but one person is very happy going. So let's see. For some it could be third party, some children's involved also. For some, only very few. Five of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Yes, juggling. I think it's your person. I think Aquarius. Your person juggling. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you. Seven of Pentacles. There are some disturbances between both of you. Five of Swords. I think there is no clarity in your person decision. You are feeling very sad for that. Something is happening between both of you. Some disturbances. Some disagreements between both of you. Five of Swords. Two of Swords with the Two of Pentacles. Definitely there is some... Your person not taking any right decision right now. They are not going to make because they are stuck right now. They don't know which decision they has to make. So let's see. The Moon, yes. Your person could be Pisces also. Four of Pentacles. Five of Cups. There is separation for some. I think one person, I think you are feeling very sad for the separation for some, or your person feeling sad for the separation. Five of Cups. I think your person not expressing their feelings even though they are love you. Definitely they are not expressing their feelings. They are holding back their feelings. The Moon, yes, your person may be hidden something from you, or you may be hide something from your person. Pisces, you or your person could be the Moon. Definitely there are some illusions between both of you. There is no clarity, confusion, disagreements, not taking right decision. Let's see. Ten of Swords. You fed up with your person energy, your person behavior, your person decisions. Nine of Cups. Queen of Cups. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Ten of Swords. I think you have strong emotions for your person. You still want your person because Nine of Cups with the Queen of Cups. Definitely you have strong emotions for your person. Even you ended up with your person, definitely you're feeling very sad and you are wishing for reconciliation. For some Aquarius, for some your person wishing for reconciliation. I think it's you wishing for reconciliation because your person not expressing their feelings. They are juggling between things. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of earth and air energies here. Definitely one person in this connection want reconciliation. They are wishing for the connection and because they have strong emotions for the other person. So let's clarify this you or your person. Let's see your person current feelings towards you and their actions. Then we will get clarity this person who is. Your person current feelings towards you, Aquarius. Morality, King of Swords, aloneness, Hermit, integration, Temperance. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think the Hangman is your person. Definitely they are stuck right now. Yeah, and King of Swords. Definitely there is some no communication between both of you. I think your person may be cut you off, or they want to give clarity. For some there is some communication is happened between both of you in near future will happen. Definitely they want to give clarity, but right now I think right now they are undergoing some transformation. Patience and balance is also needed. They are waiting for the right moment, right time, because integration means temperance. patience and balance. Your person could be Sagittarius also. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. So let's see the near future actions towards you. I think they want to convey something to you because the morality, King of Swords, possibilities, Two of Wands. Yeah, they are waiting for the right moment. Projection, Seven of Cups, and turning in Four of Cups. I think they are I think for some your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Projections, they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some your person have options, that's why they are not taking any decision. For some your person juggling between you and their family, you and their career, whatever. There is some juggling and they are in some confusion state. Projections means confusion also. That's why they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are seeing for possibilities. Definitely Two of Wands, thinking about possibilities to come towards you, and they want to give clarity about their situation, what is happening in their life. They are in a lot of confusion, your person right now. That's why they are not making any move towards you, because turning on Four of Cups, for some your person not going to offer your offer, because right now they are in confusion state. After completely awakening, I think they will come towards you. For some, definitely they are right now in confusion. They want to convey something to you. Possibilities, they are seeing for the possibilities. If you are in separation, if you are in no contact, definitely they will give clarity to you, because they are in lot of confusion. I think the one person who have still emotions for your person is you, Aquarius. But your person right now is juggling and they are in confusion, I am getting, and they want to give clarity. If you want clarity, definitely you will approach your person, they will give clarity. I think there is no balance in this connection also, because the Temperance is here. Right now your person is stuck. Definitely it's stuck. Some cycles are ended between both of you. For some it is ending, for some it is new beginnings also, for some only very few. So let's see some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Aquarius, Six of Wands, wow, King of Cups, Seven of Cups, 2 times Seven of Cups, Queen of Wands. Yeah, definitely your person right now in some confusion state, I am getting. For some, definitely your person will come towards you after spiritual awakening, after the confusion got away. Definitely they will come because they want success with you. Definitely there is some progress in this connection in near future, but you stand by your power. I think Aquarius, you taking your power back. You stand by your power. Yeah, I think definitely your person have strong emotions for you. For some, your person's fantasizing about you. They want to come towards you, but it will take time, because right now your person stuck their spiritual awakening. And yeah, they want success with you. For some, you want success in other area of your life. Definitely do concentrate on that. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation, because you are also waiting for your person, because you have strong emotions, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. The Tower, yeah, you are feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. You are also undergoing you are also stuck. You are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. Six of Cups. I already told you, you want reconciliation with your person in starting reading. In the starting of the reading, definitely you want reconciliation with your person. You are feeling so strong soul tie to your person. Definitely this is past life and soul life connection with each other. Definitely you are feeling this and this after this. You want reconciliation for your person. Definitely your person will approach you for some, depending upon your situation. Your person overall energy, sorrow, yeah, they are also sad without you. The burden, Six of Swords, rebirth, yeah, they also want rebirth in this connection. And yeah, lost 3 cards I only see. So let's see. So definitely Nine of Swords, they are sad, they are in anxiety and depression. And the burden, definitely they are feeling very burdened. Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship also. They want to clear the things between both of you. Yeah, rebirth, they also want rebirth in this connection. Definitely they will approach you, but it will take time, because your person is spiritual awakening and your person is stuck right now, Aquarius. So they are waiting and they are seeing for possibilities to come towards you or to contact you. Yeah, they also want to give clarity to you if you want, or If you don't want, definitely they will convey their message to you, because King of Swords is here. Definitely right now your person will approach you, but it will take time because they are in confusion, they are stuck right now. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Thank you. Bye.